Now class, take out your English reader book. So today we will do all question answers and exercises of this chapter, The Fearless Fighter of Unit 3. Okay. This story is very motivational. So you can read it and you can understand it, right? So now come on page number 71. Exercise C4. On the basis of your reading of the passage, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. आपको स्टोरी पता है, राइट? और आपको क्या करना है? आंसर्स पे टिक करना है ना? सो दीज आर करेक्ट आंसर्स. यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट इट डाउन हियर. देन आफ्टर विल डू ट्रू फॉल्स, एंड if you know the story, so you can do the true false in a right way. So these are true false. You can write it also in your book. Okay. Now come on next exercise C6. Read the following extract and answer the questions. So आपको ये कुछ extracts दिए गए हैं C6 में. उनके दो questions हैं, उनके answers आपको लिखने हैं ना. So who is the speaker of these words? So this is the answer. You can see here. The speaker of these words is one of the members of the English Channel Swimming Association. And the second question's answer is, the following are the two conditions. She should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. She should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water. Now you can see the second extract, and questions will do answers. So see here, answer 1 is, it means an attempt made by a single person. She was not allowed to make a solo attempt because the special boat needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. Okay, so write it down. These are the answers of C6(1) and C6(2). Okay. Now class will do question answers of C7. So we have 5 questions, right? So you can read it. We'll write the answers. So here, answer number 1 is, the officials of the English Channel Association were shocked to see Janki because she was a physically challenged girl and was ready to swim in English Channel. And the second answer is, Janki was a physically challenged girl. Her leg muscles had become so weak that she could not use her legs at all. She had been attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. Now the third answer is, all the officials were impressed with Janki after looking at her certificates that showed how she had trained herself by swimming 20 kilometers upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. So answer 4 is, it was the day on which Janki fulfilled her life's ambition, that is to swim the English Channel. Answer 5 is, the following are difficulties that Janki faced while swimming across the channel. So these are the difficulties you can see here. The first one is, the water was so salty that every time it entered her mouth, it made her feel sick. The seaweeds, and second difficulty is, the seaweeds and the jellyfish kept sticking to her body and made her extremely uncomfortable. Now we'll do answer of C8. So you can read the answer and you can read the question, then after we'll write the answer. So here is answer. I think she would have never give up swimming. Instead, she would have worked harder next time. She was a polio patient, but she was determined to swim in the English Channel. Okay. Now we'll do value based questions C9, first and second. So you can read the questions, we'll write answers. So answer number 1 is Janki was fearless, confident and determined to achieve success. I admire these qualities the most. Second answer is the secret of Janki's success is hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. Now come on page number 73. Read the following sentences. Whoever wishes to swim in the channel, I should be able to swim in the high sea of long hours without break. Notice the words whoever and without. They are actually made up 2 words each. आपने देखा ये जो 2 वर्ड्स दिए गए whoever and without, ये 2 वर्ड से मिलके बने, एक who और एक ever, है ना. नेक्स्ट जो विदाउट है वो किससे बना है, विद एंड आउट. सो दे आर पुट टुगेदर अ फॉर्म ऑफ कंपाउंड. मतलब 2 चीज़ों को जोड़कर जो चीज़ बनी है उसको आप क्या बोलते हैं, कंपाउंड वर्ड. दे मे बी रिटन एज वन वर्ड एज इन whoever और एज वर्ड सेपरेट बाय अ हाइफन्स एज इन सेल्फ रिलायंस. तो हम एक साथ भी लिख सकते हैं और ये हाइफन लगा के भी लिख सकते हैं, राइट. नाउ विल डू एक्सरसाइज C11. रीड द स्टोरी अगेन, आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट बिलो 5 कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. अब आपको जैसे ये कंपाउंड वर्ड्स लिखने हैं जिसमें 2 वर्ड्स एक साथ हैं. जैसे अप स्ट्रीम हो गया, साइडवेज, तो 2 वर्ड है ना, साइड एंड वेज. ओवरटेकन, ओवर एंड टेकन. आउटस्टैंडिंग, आउट एंड स्टैंडिंग. ओवरकम, ओवर एंड कम, है ना. 2 वर्ड सब में आ रहे हैं. दीज आर कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. नाउ विल डू एक्सरसाइज C12. नाउ रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद कंपाउंड वर्ड्स गिवन इन द एड बॉक्स. तो ये एड बॉक्स है, इसमें आपको कंपाउंड वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं. यू कैन डू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. आई हैड ऑल्सो डन फॉर यू. Now please come on page number 74. Read the table given below. It gives us information about Baba Amte, the man who undertook the task of looking after leprosy patient. So ये एक मैन है जिनका नेम क्या है, बाबा एम्टे. इनको एक बीमारी थी. कौन सी बीमारी थी, लेप्रोसी, है ना. लेप्रोसी की पेमेंट थी. इसके बाद भी इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की और ये सक्सेसफुल हुए. सो यू कैन रीड दीज थिंग्स अबाउट हिम. नेम, है ना, प्रोफेशन क्या था उनका, अचीवमेंट्स क्या थे. सो यू कैन रीड इट. देन आफ्टर सी हियर विल कंप्लीट दिस ऑल्सो. द मैन विद एन आयरन विल. तो अब यहाँ पर क्या है कि एक आयरन मैन थे जिनकी एक स्टोरी आपको लिखनी है. नाउ यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट इट डाउन. सो बाबा आमटे, एज ही इज पॉपुलरली नोन, वॉज अ मैन ऑफ ग्रेट एडमायरेशन, है ना. हिज रियल नेम वॉज मुरलीधर देवीदास आमटे. पूरा नाम पता चल गया आपको. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट लॉयर. He was courageous, determined, hardworking, and humble. He sacrifices the practice of law for the sake of leprosy patient. He opened a hospital for leprosy patients known as Anandvan. He was awarded with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan, but he declined them. He also got Janet Dutton Award for Leprosy in 1983. He died in 2009. So ये आपने पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट कर लिया, right? Then after please read this story. This will motivate you. Okay? Bye bye.